Hey guys, in this video we're going to check out a few different free compressor plugins. Every digital audio workstation should come with a basic compressor that can control some of the dynamics of your track, but not all compressors are created equal. The compressors in this video are all free to download and each brings its own unique sound that can be used in your mix. Check them all out in the video description down below. TDR Kotelnikov by Tokyo Dawn Records is a mastering compressor that works really well on stereo tracks to provide smaller large amounts of compression while retaining the original tone. We get threshold and ratio controls to control the gain reduction with a gain reduction meter and makeup gain. Soft knee causes a gradual ratio around the threshold, helping this compressor stay transparent. At the bottom we get attack, peak release, and RMS release, which determines whether it responds to peaks or the average sound level. Comp2 by GVST is a simple, clean, and transparent compressor that can be used on your tracks for some light compression to manage your dynamics without much coloring of your sound. It has a low and high cut for frequency management, input gain level control, and an expander which is labeled as gate to reduce the level of low-level audio. The compress knob simultaneously increases the ratio and decreases the threshold, which increases the compression. Attack and release control the timing, and the output gain controls the output level so that we can add makeup gain. Safe Compressor by SemanticAudio is designed to be a fairly simple and easy to use compressor. It's fairly transparent and allows for many presets to be downloaded from the internet. It provides us with threshold, ratio, knee, attack, release, and gain controls. It also has a compression curve visual so we can see how our level is being reduced. MJUC Jr. by Klanghelm is a variable tube compressor with a few simple controls. We've got a compression control and makeup gain with a three-way switch that simultaneously adjusts the attack and release between fast, slow, and auto. Even though it's simple, it provides a wide range of sound between subtle and very heavy compression. Rough Rider by Audio Damage is a very popular free compressor plugin. This plugin is not known for its subtlety, in fact it's a very aggressive compressor. This can have a warm sound to it and it can really make a track pump. This plugin has a ratio control, attack, release, sensitivity, and makeup gain. Give it a try on a drum bus, guitar, or electronic music to see how it works for you. Thanks for checking out this video on free compressor plugins. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever a new video is released. You can also check the video description for links to all the plugins we used and our social media accounts.